In this eye-opening training, we delve into the shocking truth about retirement in 2025. We uncover what you really need to know about planning for your golden years. Are you prepared for the unexpected changes in retirement, savings, Social Security, and healthcare? Whether you're just starting your career or nearing retirement age, this training will offer valuable advice that can impact your financial future. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more informative content. Hello and welcome to the Confident Wealth Solution, where we deliver proven strategies that help you confidently create, expand, and manage your wealth. My name is Karen Kitt. I'm a retired teacher with over 13 years of experience in the financial services industry. Today, I'm going to break down the real facts about retirement in 2025 that you need to know so you can plan for your future with confidence. Retirement in 2025 will bring changes that shock you, and if you're not prepared, it could cost you your future. In the next few minutes, I'll reveal what you need to know to safeguard your financial future and avoid the most common retirement traps. Well, let's talk about retirement trap number one: outdated ideas about retirement. Many people are still holding on to outdated ideas about what retirement looks like, and that can be a recipe for disaster. Retirement is no longer the fixed point it used to be. With people living longer and healthcare advancing, the traditional concept of retirement as a single event is becoming obsolete. Instead, retirement is shifting into a more fluid transition. As 2025 approaches, it's critical that you rethink your assumptions about retirement and what it means for your financial future. That's what we'll explore further in this training. And by the end of it, you'll be shocked at how different retirement is from what you might have expected. Let's talk about outdated ideas about retirement savings. Retirement savings. It's a topic that might keep you up at night, and for good reason. The hard truth is, many people aren't saving enough for their golden years, and too many of those who are saving consistently are relying on outdated strategies that no longer work in today's economy. The problem is that we're all facing unprecedented levels of financial uncertainty. With interest rates at historic lows and the cost of living continuing to rise, it's harder and harder to make ends meet, let alone save for the future. When you add in the looming threat of debt, which is affecting more and more people as they approach retirement age, financial uncertainty and overwhelm increase. Now, let's shift from mistakes and challenges that individuals face when they plan for retirement in 2025 to what I call retirement trap number three: navigating systemic financial crisis. We live in a financial landscape that is constantly shifting from economic downturns to periods of rapid growth. And when it comes to retirement, you need to be prepared for anything. Holding on to outdated ideas about what retirement looks like and not having strategies in place to navigate systemic financial crisis, again, is a recipe for disaster. Now let's talk about pension strategy for retirement in 2025. The pension crisis is real, and it's affecting millions of people around the world. Many companies can no longer afford to provide the same level of benefits they once did, and that's leaving a lot of people high and dry. And then there's Social Security. Can you really rely on it to provide the safety net you need in your old age? Unfortunately, the answer is no. Demographic changes and economic pressures are straining the system, and it's clear you can't count on Social Security to bail you out. The reality is, we're facing a retirement crisis, and it's getting worse by the day. So, what does that mean for you? The answer is simple. You need to take control of your financial future. Stop relying on others to secure it for you and take a holistic approach to your retirement planning by factoring in all the elements in our changing landscape that will shape your future. The truth is clear. Retirement is changing, but you have the power to stay in control. At the Confident Wealth Solution, we specialize in helping you stay ahead of these changes with proven strategies for building and preserving your wealth. Take control of your financial future. Click the link below to schedule a free consultation and start your journey toward a confident, secure retirement.